exactly is this man that has been trending since yesterday? The one who, alongside his billionaire circle, turned money into pure spectacle. I'm talking about a birthday celebration where hard currencies were flying. Euros, pounds, dollars, and bundles of naira stacked like it was nothing. See my people, there is money and there is ego. What? This lavish birthday party is already reminding many Nigerians of that legendary Obi Cubana 50 for 50 celebration that shook the internet last year. But this one, it's themed 40 for 40. And right now, one name is dominating the conversation. Who is he? The man behind this trending moment is Chief Christian Maduba Okechi, popularly known as Mr. Ceemore. He is the owner and CEO of Ceemore Group, also known as Ceemore Limited or Ceemore Global Resources, based in Port Harcourt. The company operates as a major player in real estate and luxury home materials, from premium doors to sanitary wares to granite and construction supplies. But beyond the luxury brand name, his story is not your typical born into wealth narrative. Mr. Ceemore reportedly built his empire from the ground up, starting from a small shop in Port Harcourt, before growing into a full-scale conglomerate. Before business, he once dreamed of becoming a professional footballer, but life took a turn and he eventually joined his father in business, learning the ropes of trade, consistency and survival. From there, vision met discipline and Ceemore Global was born. He is also popularly associated with the title Akurolo One of Mbano, linking him to Mbano in Imo State.
Anything I'm doing today started as a child. I saw it while growing up. And that's why you see what we're doing today. And one thing I love doing is I love to see people grow. I love to see people win. I love to see people successful. I love to see people happy. So whatever I would do to make sure that the little I can do, whether to assist you financially, whether to assist you by way of encouraging you, by way of advising you, anything I can do to make sure that you win and be happy. I think I see it as an opportunity for me to help you. I love to be in people's story, history. I love to be in people's history. I love to be in people's story. I love to be that word impact. As a child, there's a post I made long time ago, over 10 years ago. I said I was going to impact on my world positively. Me coming from a background that doesn't have much does not mean that as a child I will not work to success. I told myself that there's a point I will get to. I will try my possible best to make sure that I touch lives that today, if you're living this world at your old age, what they will remember you for, is your impact, is your delivery.
And let's talk about something deeper, because in Nigeria, especially among Igbo businessmen, wealth is not just quiet success. It is often visible celebration, from hospitality to luxury parties, from community giving to high-profile birthdays. There is a long-standing culture of flaunting success as a form of identity and achievement. And love it or hate it, it keeps repeating itself. Obi Cubana set a standard, and now Mr. Ceemore is currently commanding attention with his own 40 for 40 statement celebration. So right now, the internet is asking, is this just a birthday party or another statement of arrival? Because when euros, pounds, dollars and naira are all flying in one room, you don't just see celebration, you see a lifestyle. And at the center of it all right now, it's Mr. Ceemore. And before we go, massive appreciation to our supporters. Big shout out to Mr. Kelechi Eze, who just supported the channel with 25,000 naira. We truly appreciate your love and encouragement. God bless you real good. If you enjoy updates like this, please don't just watch and scroll. Support us so we can keep bringing you raw, unfiltered stories from across Nigeria and beyond. Every support matters and it keeps this movement very much alive. See you in the next one.
Okay, my name is High Chief Christian Maduba. Okay, I think Odibola has demonstrated a lot of honesty in my partnership with him in business dealings that I've done with him over the years. I've known Odibola for close to 9 years now, and we've done series of businesses together. And in all the businesses we've done together, whatever he says is what he does. He's a man that keeps to his words. He's a man that when he tells you A, he stands by it. And if I must say this, Odibola is not just a business partner to me. Odibola is a brother, and he's somebody that I can comfortably hit my chest and tell anybody, when you do business with him, you can go to sleep. Because if it comes to being honest and delivering service with a lot of people over the years, I think nobody has ever complained or come to me knowing that we have a relationship, or coming to me. You know, if somebody is bad and people know that you have a relationship with that person, definitely people will come to you and maybe lay a complaint that this is what this person has done to me. But somebody I've known for close to 10 years and nobody has come to me to lay a complaint that this person has done bad. That means it shows that that person has what it takes to deliver quality service.